Hi folks, my name is Greg and today I'm going to take you through a short 5-minute demonstration of harness chaos engineering. So what is chaos engineering? Well, it helps improve system resilience and availability through discovery of issues, helps prevent revenue losses by minimizing outages, it helps develop an in-depth understanding of the system and thereby improving failure recovery. And finally, it helps increase customer satisfaction through system dependability and reputation. So what is harness chaos engineering? Well, it's a modern cloud-native solution, has an extensive list of out-of-the-box chaos faults, easily integrates with your CI/CD system, and has strong enterprise security and governance, role-based access control, open policy agent, multi-tenancy, and extensibility through SDKs available for Python, Golang, and Ansible. So let's jump into the demonstration. This is the harness user interface, and on the left-hand side you can see the chaos icon for the chaos module. Clicking into the chaos hub, essentially a chaos hub is a catalog of dozens of out-of-the-box experiments and faults for different infrastructure and application providers. An experiment is made up of many faults. So let's go ahead and have a look at an experiment that I've created for this demonstration. This particular experiment impacts the cart service in my online boutique application. It is also monitored by Prometheus and Grafana. And clicking on the report, we can see the resilience score, total number of runs of this experiment, and the individual run status, score, date and timestamp. Let's go ahead and execute this experiment. In this experiment, we already have two main faults: pod delete, which will initiate a deletion of the service or loss of the service, and pod CPU hog, which will initiate stress in the pod in terms of lack of CPU. We're now on the pod delete fault. Let's have a look at Grafana and see how our metrics show the loss of that service in Grafana. Here we can see the probe success percentage, failure occurring, and when we refresh the page on the cart, we can see that we can't find that particular service anymore. We can see that we've completed the pod delete fault and Kubernetes will have spun that pod back up. Now moving to the pod CPU hog, we'll now start to stress the CPU resources in that particular pod. We can also now see our application is back online. Our CPU hog fault is complete and we can see it has passed. We can also see we have completed the experiment and our resilience score is 50%. With that, let's look at a more detailed advanced use case in CI/CD. This is CI/CD pipeline. We've added our chaos step into the pipeline. You can see that on this run we achieved 77%. We've also automated the metrics and monitoring that you saw in Prometheus with our verification step. Clicking into the chaos experiment, you can see it here, which takes you in context to what you saw before. In summary, Harness can dramatically increase your system availability through resilience and chaos testing. It also helps develop an in-depth understanding of the system and helps increase customer satisfaction and prevent revenue loss. With that, I'd like to say thank you for watching my short 5-minute demonstration. If you'd like to learn more, feel free to go to www.harness.io and take a trial, or contact us directly for a more detailed overview.